If you're a fan of gold, you're familiar with its long-term appeal and performance potential. You also might be familiar with a relatively new asset, Bitcoin, which is a cryptocurrency that's been dubbed digital gold. But how do cryptocurrency and gold compare? Cryptocurrency is a type of virtual currency that uses cryptography to validate and secure transactions. Bitcoin emerged in 2009 as the first cryptocurrency, and its popularity has taken off since then. An even newer cryptocurrency, Monero, debuted in 2014. Unlike Bitcoin, there is no preset total supply of Monero. By contrast, gold's origins date back more than 5,000 years. Gold coins premiered as a form of currency around 550 BC, predating the introduction of paper money. Given that it's in its infancy, cryptocurrency has a limited track record. There can be significant risk involved in putting your money into an unproven long-term asset. Plus, the price of cryptocurrency can be extremely volatile. Holdings that may be worth thousands of dollars today might only be worth hundreds tomorrow, and there's no guarantee that value will go up again. Gold, however, has a substantial history. One of the main things gold bullion has going for it is that it's a tangible asset that you maintain control of, no matter what happens to the global economy. Unlike gold, cryptocurrency is not considered a safe haven by many analysts, as the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies doesn't reside in an established history of commercial usage or long-established cultural tradition. As such, the future of cryptocurrency is relatively uncertain, whereas the future of gold continues to remain bright, given its more than 5,000-year performance history and status as a less volatile commodity. In short, gold's tangible nature and intrinsic benefits can never be fully replaced by a digital entity. Call U.S. Money Reserve to discuss the historical performance and future potential of physical gold with one of our knowledgeable account executives. Click the link in the description to download your free gold information kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio by purchasing precious metals.